Let's begin by looking at the supplied parts and hardware as well as tools. So we have a large bracket, we have right side, left side crash bars. We also have 4 tube clamps. As well as 8 M6 by 25mm long hex head bolts plus nylock nuts. 2 M8 nylock nuts and washers. Ratchet, various length extensions, potentially a U-joint, as well as 8mm and 30mm hex sockets, and a ratcheting wrench in 13mm size. First, you have to reach behind the triple clamps. There is very little space, so take your time. Loosen the bolts. Do not take out the bolts. Once you have about 6-7 millimeters, gently slide the bracket in. The bracket has to be on the left-hand side of the cluster bracket. Now you can mount the upper crash bar, either left side or right side. Grab the 8mm nylock nut and washer, spin it on, and then you can mount the tube clamps, push the M6 diameter bolts through, and on the bottom side, spin on the nylock nuts. Like so, leave it loose. Now you can move on to the other side. You can see this is going to be the torque value. This is the very last step. So repeat the same thing on the other side. Spin on the M8 nylock nut. Don't forget the washer. Leave it loose. Mount the tube clamps. You can also see the torque value for the tube clamps. 6mm diameter bolts. That's again the very last step. Now you can go ahead and gradually tighten every nut. Don't forget to tighten the bolts of the large bracket. After a test ride of about 150 kilometers, 80 miles, 90 miles, double check all the bolts and nuts again. Should you have any questions, please reach out to us, info@outbackmotortek.com, or call toll-free 877-931-3636. Thank you for watching.